Hi guys, today we're going to look at using the resource planner in Kelloo. This is just one of the 3 planning views you can use in Kelloo to plan your work. Alongside the resource planner are the project view and priority view, and you can access these using the links at the top of the page. If you haven't done so already, we recommend you first watch the Scheduling Resources and Projects in Kelloo tutorial, which covers a lot of the basics about scheduling work. So we're not going to cover all the basics again in this tutorial. The link to the Scheduling Resources and Projects in Kelloo tutorial is in the description below, so please watch it if you haven't done so already. Okay, so back to the resource planner. The first thing you'll notice is that the resource planner is organised by roles, and within each role are your resources. For each resource, we can see their current utilisation level based on the work assigned to them, and we also get a summary of the utilisation for all the resources at the role level. Right now we are using a histogram to show utilisation levels. The level of the cell fill indicates the level of utilisation, but you can configure different views based on how you like to view things. There is a simplified colour-coded view, or you can view the utilisation levels numerically. As you move work or stretch work, the current utilisation levels are automatically calculated for you. To add new work, simply click on the row, or select the Add option next to the resource name, or use the Add option top left. And to edit work, just click on the work in the right hand pane of the planner. You can then do things like copy, split and merge the work, change how much work is scheduled, or change the assigned resource. Another way to edit the work is to click the work name in the left hand pane. That's all for today.